Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the HP 17 business laptop with a 17.3-inch display, Intel 10-core i5-1334U processor, 64GB RAM and a 2TB SSD. A machine aimed at study and work. I've researched this unit thoroughly across spec sheets, user reviews and tech forums so you'll get a clear understanding of whether it's genuinely worth investing in. To begin, the spec sheet is impressive on paper. The i5-1334U CPU gives you 10 cores and up to 12 threads, which is unusual for an i5 laptop and suggests solid multitasking power. The 17.3 screen gives you ample workspace for study, spreadsheets, multitasking or casual content viewing. Some models indicate FHD or HD+ resolution depending on variant. The RAM and storage here, 64GB and 2TB, are standout for a machine in this category, meaning plenty of headroom for heavy applications, large data files, or future-proofing. From a performance perspective, many users report that laptops with this i5-1334U handle everyday tasks, web browsing, document work, video calls, with ease and little lag. One Reddit user noted, "Programs start quickly, large files, handling with multiple applications simultaneously." Indeed, with 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, you're far beyond what many standard student work laptops offer. For your kind of use, studying social work, psychology, maybe running statistics, multitasking between apps, this means smoothness even when many tabs or programs are open. In terms of connectivity and features, the model includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, which is great for modern networks. The keyboard is backlit in some variants, important for working in low light. There is a numeric keypad thanks to the larger size, and you get decent port selection, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, in various listings. These make it very usable as a student work machine that needs to connect to external monitors or projectors. Now let's talk build, display and usability. The 17.3 size gives you plenty of screen real estate, ideal for multitasking, splitting windows, having reference materials open while you work. However, a screen this size also means the machine is less portable than a 13 inches or 14 laptop. Some reviews highlight that it gets heavy and less convenient for commuting every day. The display quality is decent in most variants, though in some spec sheets the resolution is HD+, 1600x900, rather than full 1920x1080, so be sure you're getting the full FHD version. The keyboard and numeric keypad get good marks, though some mention warm keyboard areas under load. That brings me to a more critical analysis. While the specs are excellent, there are important limitations and trade-offs. First, battery life is frequently called out as weak. One model reported only 60 to 90 minutes of runtime under heavy load. If you'll be unplugged frequently, library, cafe, commuting, this could be a drawback. Second, because the machine uses integrated Intel graphics rather than a dedicated GPU, it won't perform well for gaming, heavy graphics work or 3D rendering. Some users on Reddit specifically advised not to buy for gaming. Third, size and portability. The large 17.3 form factor means more weight and bulk, good for desktop replacement but less ideal for frequent mobile use. Fourth, variants differ. Screen resolution, build quality, backlit keyboard presence, Wi-Fi speed or port selection might vary, so you'll want to check exact SKU carefully. Finally, while many users are happy, there are voices complaining about reliability and hinge keyboard quirks in HP laptops in general. So, is the HP 17 business laptop worth buying? For you, niche crite, studying psychology and social work, wanting a machine for both study and work with ample power and storage, yes, it's a very smart choice. If you mainly work at a desk, don't need ultra-light portability, and value large screen plus high memory storage, this laptop will serve you well and likely last you several years. However, if you expect to carry it everywhere, work unplugged for long periods, or need dedicated graphics for creative work, you might want to consider a smaller form factor or one with discrete GPU. Overall, worth it, provided you recognize the size, weight and battery trade-offs.